Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and in this video, we're going to be talking about GoHighLevel, of course, but more specifically, I'm going to be doing another use case for the Ask AI browser control feature. Now, if you're watching this, you have no idea what the Ask AI browser control feature is. It's genuinely one of the most revolutionary updates GoHighLevel has ever had in its 5 years of me being on this platform. This is a Chrome extension. You can also use it on Edge, but in my opinion, it works really well when you just get it on Chrome. It connects directly to your browser and can open up any other tab, any external tab it can open up, and it can control your mouse, control your literal mouse on your computer, click things, copy things, edit things. It's uploaded things for me. It's downloaded things for me. It's genuinely insane. And so the hardest part for you guys watching is, how do you use this? And what's the purpose? It can do everything. This could do your math homework. This could answer your emails. As long as you can open up a random browser like this, type in Google Maps, I don't care, whatever it may be, type in Canva. Even if there's a login and you log in for it, it can control that. It's literally edited my videos before on a video editor like CapCut. So it's basically limitless. It can do anything. So that's why I have to make multiple videos on it, because there is no bounds as to what it cannot do. However, when something like that exists, the hardest part is selling it because it does too many things. So that's what I'm working on for you guys right now, is I'm creating white labeled videos specifically on the Ask AI browser control for different niches. Yes, you heard that correctly. The guy who promotes never niching down ever is making niche related videos. And I can explain why. Because this Ask AI browser control feature is extremely specific to the niche. For instance, if I am a car mechanic, maybe I want to use it to find me a 2020 Honda Civic brake pad and find a supplier near me, get me a quote, and create an estimate for the customer. I wanted to do all of those things. Literally open up my tab, find the supplier, find the brake pads, come up with the number, upcharge for my services, and then send the estimate to the customer so I don't have to do absolutely anything. It can do that. So for you guys, I created a white label video for this exact scenario. And you can take that white labeled video and send it to any car guy that you want. Any auto shop, body shop, whatever it may be, send that video to them. It's completely white labeled. You can get it with captions, without captions. You guys can change the language. I don't care. It becomes your video, property of you. And enough yapping out of me. I'm gonna show you guys that white labeled video right now. At least a sneak peek, just a sneak peek right now. Welcome to the only AI feature your business will ever need. This incredible AI software works with any service-based business. It honestly works with any business at all, because if you utilize the internet, I'm talking Google or Facebook, or maybe you have a landscaping company and you're constantly looking for suppliers, or you're a car mechanic constantly looking for different car parts. I don't care what it is, as long as you can type it on the internet and search for it on Google or any browser. Our incredible Ask AI Chrome extension can not only search it for you, but can gather all the information needed and return it right into your CRM. I'm talking anything you can think of. For this example, let's say you're a car mechanic and a customer needs new brakes on his 2020 Honda Accord. All you have to do is tell our software exactly what they need. And there you go. That is just a sneak peek of just one use case. I'm going to do multiple. I'm going to do one for landscapers. I might do one for roofers. I can do one for anybody, you know, and anything that you guys want. That's what I do. That's what I do for my affiliates. I work very hard. I work many, many hours to make these white label videos as perfect as I possibly can, so that you guys can just copy paste them, use them for whatever you want. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to try to find another use case, and then I'm going to make a white label video on that use case. Also, if you guys want these white label videos, use the link in the description below, become an affiliate of me, and you get not only all of my bonuses and my white label videos, you get entered into the High Level AI SaaS Lab. So you get all of Declan O'Reilly, the GHL wizard. You get all of his bonuses as well. We've got almost 5,000 members in here. So many people are sharing their wins. They're crushing it. You can ask any question that you want. You're going to get it answered really quickly. We have an events calendar where you can go live every single day. We have someone going live every day. A literal expert of GHL going live, answering questions, helping you guys, helping you with sales calls, helping you get clients, whatever it may be. It's all in here, going live every day. And then also, if you click the learning section, scroll all the way down to Dom's bonuses right here, you open those up, you can download all my white label videos, just like the one you just saw. So make sure you get those. It goes way beyond just the Chrome extension browser. You guys can sell AI Studio, chat widget. I've got one for different industries like pool cleaning, power washing, dog grooming, landscaping, AI voice bots. Really, really cool stuff in here. Don't miss out. Make sure to get all those videos. I've got a lot more coming. I want to just crank these out, man. So either way, that's what you get when you use that link in the description below. Get these white label videos, because no one is pushing out more white label content on the new updates than me. It's all about selling the newest stuff. AI is changing, it's adapting. You need to adapt with it. So enough yapping out of me. Let's get into it. What's the use case? What are we going to be doing? Let's go find out. All right, guys. And our use case niche is going to be for the roofing industry. We're going to do one for roofing. And then of course, I'm going to make a white label video on exactly what I do here in this video. You guys can take that white label video and send it to all the roofers that you want to sell this insane Ask AI browser control feature. So the first thing that we need to ask ourselves whenever we're doing this or whenever we're using the Ask AI browser control feature is, what exactly does the customer do in their day-to-day life? What does our client do every single day on the internet? Like I said, maybe they open Google, maybe they go into their Gmail, maybe they go on a certain website for roofing shingles. I don't know what they do, but that's why finding out what they do is very important so that you can create the use case for it. Because no matter what they do, this can do it. This can open up certain things. It can log into like membership areas that they might be using or certain softwares that they might be using if there's no firewall against it. It can do math way faster than all of us. It can come up with estimates, invoicing, any of those things connected back to GHL. Boom, you've got your CRM. So for that reason, let's try it out. I just pasted this right here. I said, open Google Maps, measure the roof, because this is a roofing company. Look up shingle suppliers, compare Owens Corning versus GAF, estimate materials, build a proposal, and schedule an estimate. Boom, all something that somebody would have to do in the roofing industry. Let's see if the browser control feature right here inside of GHL can do it for us. We're gonna press enter. It's thinking, it's writing everything down over here so we can see it. Once it's done, it's going to open up an external browser. It's gonna open up a brand new tab and go straight to Google Maps like I asked it to do. And we are completely 100% hands free. But the first thing that we have to do is put in a random address. I don't know, I'm just gonna put in something random right here. I have to make sure it's a real address because they have to find it on Google Maps and measure the roof itself. So let me find a random address real quick. I'll find something on Zillow. There we go, I found one on Zillow for sale. We're gonna go to the next one. Who's the client? We're just gonna say me. Next it says, does the client have a shingle brand preference? For this, we're gonna say compare both. I want both prices. Go to the next one. What type of roof is this? I believe it is a hip roof. I might be wrong about that, but that's what it looks like. And then it says, when would you like to schedule the inspection? We'll just say August 25th. There you go. And then submit. That's pretty much all we're going to have to do. Now, guys, I will point this out. It does say material estimate is $120 an hour for labor rate. That is because we recently did this for the auto shop industry, and the auto shop industry had an average of $120 an hour for like a mechanic. I believe for roofing, it's more like $150 to $300. So we might have them redo the estimate at the end of this and calculate it based off like maybe $200 an hour for labor. But once again, this would be so easy to solve because this is based off the sub account itself. So the roofer would know this would be their sub account. It wouldn't change unless they wanted to change it later. Maybe they want to increase their pricing or whatever. So the only reason we're going to have that bit of a hiccup maybe is because we use the same sub account for all of our examples, which you would obviously never do if this was for a specific client. But check this out, guys. It already opened it up. So it opened it up. It's looking at the actual satellite of the house. This is the house. See, 1035 Fountain Park Drive, Sherman, Illinois. This is the one that's for sale on Zillow. They are measuring the house based off the satellite. That is genuinely insane. Now they're going to know the exact quote for the roof. This is super cool. So yeah, guys, I'm going to make a white label video on this exact video so that you can take it and send it to any roofing client that you want. Roofing is going to be a very big industry for something like this. Oh my goodness. Look at this, dude. It's just opening up everything for me. I don't have to do anything. And you can even see what it's doing over here. It keeps you in the loop at all times. I feel like Google Maps is getting really good. This is like insanely clear. You can see it's doing all of this by itself. I'm not touching anything. It controls my browser. I could go work out right now. I could go to sleep. I could go film another video if I wanted to, while my lead connector controls my entire browser. GoHighLevel is insane. Don't miss out on this stuff, guys. Don't watch this and then go do something else or go sell something else. It is very important that you understand why GoHighLevel is coming out with all these amazing new features, why AI is just going insane, why the next 6 months of AI might be better than the last 10 years combined. We are going at an exponentially fast rate, and you just don't want to miss out. You want to make as much money as you possibly can during these times, and you want to get a lot of these business owners hooked on these incredible features before someone else does. You can see right here, it says the context menu is open, and I can see measure distance clicking on it now. It's measuring the distance, literally measuring the distance of this roof perfectly so we can get the best possible quote. This could be an extremely accurate quote, guys. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm excited to see what we do. Guys, check this out. It's doing it right now. You can see it shows the exact distance. I didn't even know this was a thing on Google Maps. I mean, I might have to start using this more when I'm like measuring land. This is a really, really cool feature. I genuinely did not know this existed. But lucky for me, I didn't have to know because it's just doing all of this for me. And it's way faster and way better than anything that I could ever do. So that's pretty cool. We should come up with a really, really nice estimate. These are all things and little clips that I'm going to show when I make my white label video after this. So I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. So once this is done, you can see right here, it says 50 feet on one side, 100 feet along with the other side with a total of 130.7 feet. Let me clear and do the precise perimeter trace of the house footprint. So yeah, it's going precise, guys. We're going to get a good quote. And it'd be fun to show this next to someone who's actually going out there, going physically out and measuring or doing a real quote and an estimate, doing an inspection or whatnot. I think it would be nice to see what their quotes are like lined up next to each other. That way we can see how accurate this bad boy is. All right, guys, check it out. It's completely done. It says step 1 was to measure the roof. It said estimated building footprint was 4,200 square feet. It shows the overhang 1.5 feet on all sides, which is equivalent to 350 square feet. We put hip roof pitch assumed at 612. There you go. It has that value right there. Estimate roof surface area is 5,080 square feet. Roof squares is going to be 51 squares plus 15% waste, hip, cuts, valley. This is insane. 59 squares to order. I mean, these are all things that I'm not a roofer, but I wouldn't have thought about at all. I know they probably would have, which is why we're selling to them. Step 2 was shingle suppliers near Sherman, Illinois. So it has to find the suppliers that are close by. And of course it did. Found Tedrick's Home Renovations, roofing company in Sherman for over 17 years of experience, LS Building Products, and then Rhino Roofing. It found all those. Owens Corning versus GAF comparison. I told you before we started this whole thing, it was going to compare 2 different prices. The market position is going to be the second largest #1 Fortune 500 brand. And then it gives you all the reasons why Owens Corning duration might be better. Keeps going down the list. It says best for Illinois, hail prone areas. This is insanity. Step 4 is going to be material estimates. So that's 59 squares ordered. Shingles is going to be 59 squares at $7,000, which is going to be at $120 square foot. And then for GAF, it's going to be $6,195 at $105 a square foot. Goes through the entire thing. And the pricing is extremely similar. OC duration is 19,600. And then GAF is going to be 18,700. So they're both very close. And then it's going to be able to send the proposal to Dominic Baptist right here with option A and option B, based off which one Dominic wants to use. And then of course, we're going to schedule the inspection, book it right here. That is unbelievable. So yes, guys, I want to do a white labeled video on exactly this, the same thing. I'm just going to type in the exact same thing because I think if you showed this video in a white labeled version, like a demo, if you showed this demo to a roofer, I genuinely think they'd be like, yeah, this is going to save me a lot of time. Why would I not do something like this? As long as it's somewhat accurate, which it should be because it used Google Maps, it used the satellite, it measured everything, it did all the measurements, hopefully correctly. Obviously, I'm not there. I haven't been able to go out to this house yet and measure it myself, but I would assume AI probably measured it correctly. It's pretty good at what it does. This is absolutely incredible. Just another one of those amazing use cases. This one for the roofing industry, and anybody can do this. And then of course it goes right into your CRM. So we can just book it right here. We can send out text messages. We can do estimates. We can do invoicing. Everything that you can do inside of GHL as the CRM for the company, you can have it connected to this external Chrome extension Ask AI browser control right here. So there you go. That is just one other use case. There's so many out there. I might do another one on like pet grooming. I don't know. I might do one on irrigation. I might do one on tree service. I might just go down the list of the most popular use cases for the most popular niches. And then I can just make like 5, 10, 15 different white label videos and you guys can just send them off. I don't know. I've got a lot of work to do. You guys have a lot of work to do. I thought this video was really cool. Hopefully you guys liked it too. And hopefully you're trying your own use cases every single day for your own clients or your own prospects, because this right here is the newest feature in GHL. And if you're the first to sell it, then you will be ahead of the curve. So there you go. That's our video on use case for roofing with the Ask AI browser control feature. And if you stuck with me to the end of this video, and make sure you use that link in the description below, because when I film this white label demo, it's going to go in here under Dom's bonuses inside of this section. So you guys can download it, do whatever you want. It's going to have captions, one without captions. Like I said, you can change anything that you want with it. It's going to be awesome. You guys are going to love it. And I'm going to keep on pushing out these awesome white label videos as long as you guys keep using them. But either way, with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to make more white label videos. I can't wait to see what you guys do with the Chrome extension browser feature. And most importantly, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video tomorrow. I post every single day. Peace out.